Hello everyone, this is Neeraj from Government Engineering College, Bilaspur. Here I am going to design and analyze a 23-story building which is located in Bangalore region. This building has a floor plan view of 1 to 8, 9 to 14, 15 to 19 and 20 to 23. This building has a dead load of 2 kN per meter square all over the structure, but a 5, 4.5, 4, 3.5 kN per meter square of live load is applied respectively. Some of the specifications are given below, just like materials and section properties. So let us start. First of all, open the ETABS software. Now go to the file menu, open new model and fill up all the specification required and then click on OK. Fill up all the story requirement described in the question, then click on OK. So this is our plan view and this is our 3D view. So we have to define our material properties. For this, go to define, then material properties and then add new materials. And now follow the steps. Now we have defined M40 concrete, HYST 500 and MAC 250 reinforcement bar. Click on OK. Now define the section properties. For this, go to define, then section properties, then frame section. First of all, we define the column section. Material is M40, depth is 500 mm and width is 500 mm. Go to modify and story bar, click on column, then longitudinal bar is HYST 500 and tie bar are mild 250. The clear cover is 40 mm, then click on OK. Then again OK. Repeat the following procedure for the other column sections. Now select the add new properties and select auto select list and name is column auto select. Now we define the beam sections. Select the beam only. The top cover is 25 mm and the bottom cover is also 25 mm. Click on OK, then also OK. Repeat the above procedure for further. Now define the slab section. Name is slab 150, material is M40 and thickness is 150 mm. Click on OK. Now we have defined all the materials and section properties. We have to assign all the section properties in required section. Start from story 1. Then go to similar stories. Now go to draw menu and select quick draw columns. Change the property to column auto select and select all the desired columns. Repeat this procedure for beams and slab also. Repeat this procedure for all the required sections. Now we have to assign a 2 kN per meter square of dead load at all over the building and a live load of 5, 4.5, 4, 3.5 kN per meter square at required section. For this, follow the steps. Now apply a 0.2 kN per meter of dead load at all the exterior frame of the building. For this, start from story 1. Now select all the exterior beams. Go to assign, then frame load, then distributed and apply 0.2. Then click on apply, then OK. Repeat this procedure for other sections. Now remove the frame load from the top story. Now go to base sections. Select all the nodes and change it to fit support. Now use auto draw cladding options for all the exterior walls of the building. Now we have to assign the wind load. For this, assign the wind load from load patterns. Our building is located in Bangalore region, where the wind speed is 33 meters per second. The terrain category is 3, the structure class is C, and the coefficient K1 and K3 is considered as K1. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now assign the wind load as follows. Now we have assigned all the loads. We are ready to analyze our structure. Before doing this, change this 3D view to the extruded view. Then go to Analyze menu and Run Analysis. Save this project as required name. This process takes several time, so please be patient as me. After completing analysis process, go to Design, then Concrete Frame Design and view Revised Reference. Check that this is IS 456-2000, then click OK. Again go to Design menu, then Concrete Frame Design and start design. This will also take several time, so please be patient.
A few moments later.
After completing the designing process, here we can see our reinforcement detailing. To see the detail, right click on any member. So this is the detailed report on that member. To show the bending moment diagram and shear force diagram, go to display, then force and stress diagram. Click on moment and apply. This is our bending moment diagram of that structure. To see the shear force diagram, click on shear, then apply. So this is our shear force diagram. Here we can see the full report of our structure from this report option. Go to reports, then summary reports. It will take a couple of moments to making the complete report of our structure. So this is our final report of our structure analyzed by the ETAP software. This is our final result.